Ever felt bored at home? Have you ever thought about making a flower that never fades with your own hands? Everything you need is inside. Pieces, tools, and step-by-step guides. No screws, no stress. Next, enjoy the journey of putting it together. An everlasting flower. Not just to craft its decor. For your loved one. For your colleagues. Perfect for gifting, bonding, or cozy nights in. Build your story. Display your world.